Right, Algowave. Algowave, I first came across Algowave sometime before the end of 2020, and essentially what Algowave do is they take the balance of your current account. It has to be an account held by Binance, the world's #1 crypto broker, and you link that account to Algowave using an A.P.I, a programming interface, which allows Algowave to manipulate or trade the coin in your Binance wallet and generate returns. So to be fair to Algowave, the performance before Christmas was quite good, but Algowave did point out, Gal, who is my go-to man at Algowave, he did point out that their algorithms work better with more funds. So at the time I only had $200 in there, so I've now got $400 in there, and I'm going to increase that to $500 to give Algowave a chance to really work on the account and see whether they can grow it. And I'm going to monitor this over the next few days, weeks and months. Now, you can go to the website and read all about Algowave, and I've got a special deal with them. Now, normally they charge an activation fee, which was $3.99. They've offered a 50% discount on that, but I've got an even better deal, that if you use my promo code, your price is nothing. So you can join for free. I will say about Algowave, I'm fairly sure, fairly certain that this is a safe investment. And what I mean by that is that Algowave are not going to take you. They can't take your money because your money is yours and it's in your wallet and no one can touch it but yourself. Their trading algorithms may not always make money, and they may even lose money, but it's never going to be the scale of loss that you would worry about, and the losses will be more than covered by the gains over the course of a few weeks or a few months, as I hope to show. So that's it for Algowave for the time being. Currently we're showing 900431 Bitcoin. Every morning I will do a video and we'll see what Algowave can do with this balance, and I'll record it all here on my video log. Okay, well it's the 13th of February, and this is day 2 of my Algowave assessment. Let's just go to our Binance folder. Now then, yesterday I deposited funds to my Binance account, and since then Algowave have been working on those funds. Yesterday the balance was 928023. Yesterday the balance was 900794. Now it's 928023. So in the short time that Algowave have had my $400 or so, they've made me $7, which is an encouraging start. So we're up and running on this analysis of Algowave, and tomorrow morning I shall add to this video and monitor Algowave's progress. Okay, it's Sunday morning, the 14th of February, Valentine's Day, and I'm going to go and check my Binance balance this morning, and we've got a reading of 964851. 964851. 964851. And we've got a value of 47218. 472.18. Okay, and that's on the 14th of the 2nd, 21. Okay, so so far so good. Yeah. So yeah, so far so good. Algowave is certainly doing its stuff. Since I started this on Friday, my balance has increased. And of course, the value of the holding is going to be reflected by the value of of Bitcoin at any given time. Should Bitcoin crash, fall, or even surge, this value will change. So the key number really is the number of Bitcoin I actually hold, and as we can see, we've had 2 days of nice increases. So looking good so far. That's the end of week one, short week. So we'll get a full week next week, and we'll see what it can do with a week of processing.